What's happening? Welcome back. My name is Vince. We got some van life stuff going on today. We are going to reinstall the water tank. I took it apart because I lowered the bed down and that ruined all the pump. It had to displace the pump, and yeah, I got an Accumulator thing so that it doesn't pulse when the water comes out, and it's supposed to save the pump. And we're gonna have to do all new PEX piping, and we're gonna have to run the electricity longer because we're gonna put the pump towards the back more. And so yeah, we got some electricity, got PEX piping. I got the tools for the PEX. So the Accumulator and pump, the pump had to move because we lowered the bed down and it was right where the bed is sitting now. Accumulator, these are made by the same company, but they don't sit flat on the same surface. So we're gonna have to make like a little bump up there so that sits flat together. And that's gonna go on the wall over here somewhere. So yeah, we got running to the sink from the pump. This is the old pipe setup. This is the shower. We're gonna put the water tank up on the wheel well. Yeah, I think that explained it. I didn't cut it all the way. There we go. Hit myself in the face. Okay, that one's down. And just a little wiggle. Golden. Trying to reuse as much of these pieces that are already together as I can. And we're trying to figure out how it all goes together. Back to the sink. In from the tank. Through the Accumulator, back to the sink. This one's the shower that we can turn on and off, so that'll need a new connector. And this will go at the end of this to connect the shower. It's around the corner. Down there, bada bing, bada boom. There. I think, yeah, we only got to buy a couple more elbows and a straight connector to get it back to the sink and wire. Which one do we have to take apart now? This one.
Oh, Vince, I do it one-handed.
Not quite there. It's almost there.
Let this thing kick your ass.
Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, that's that one. That one comes off of there. This one goes on there. Okay, we've got some updates. We got the wiring installed and we got the pump and accumulator kind of going on. I got the straps for the water tank. Now we're gonna have to figure out some PEX piping. This one's gonna run. You can kind of see that blue tube coming out back there. That's from the sink. And then we gotta extend it to about there. And then we're gonna do a bunch of fancy stuff over here, connecting the shower. And yeah, it's almost all set up.
New wires. These are all the new wires. And the straps. And we got the little mount. This one's not done yet.
But I did just do my first one here. Got my first couple crimps going on in there. And it turned out that the pipe that we got worked out perfect for the length. And everything's coming together pretty good. Still got to make some more crimps and cuts. I got a pretty good first cut in. And my first crimps look pretty good. Still got to crimp this one. It's loose. But this is the pipe that we just fixed, or extended. Those are my first connectors. So we gotta put on another elbow right here so it goes over and then comes back to the pump. And then that's all connected. The spacing here though, not great. Gonna have to find a board to put behind here for the spacing. And this is the shower, and that has the on-off switch. To the shower, to the sink. Tank will be on the, yeah. Okay, I got the shower side set up, but it's like touching the door when it closes. It's like right there. But that's why it shuts off, so that, I don't know, I hope it's okay. Okay, got the tank back on the wheel well, and all the pipes are hooked up except for from the tank to the pump. Shower's all good, and we still need some electricity stuff, so I'm gonna go get that, and then we're gonna go over to Greg's house and finish it up, I think. All right, first time filling up the water tank. It's just about full, and we'll see how good it's doing. All right, water tank is pretty much full. We got a new acclimator, and we installed the pump. We got the extender for the shower. Let's see how it does. Turn on it's pumping. It runs smooth. And our shower will turn on. Oh, you just gotta flip the switch. Ah! And it shoots like crazy. Water pump works. No leaks. So yeah, the shower lives on the back door. We're gonna have to build a little mount up top so that we can get some nice shower action. And yeah, water works. I'm so excited. Ah! All right, Kirkwood tomorrow. Peace. Thanks for watching. Watch the other van life videos, more build stuff, and watch the other videos of snowboarding and traveling and geocaching and all the other fun adventures. See you next time.